Terrorist Tahawoor Rana finally brought back to India. He's been taken out of lockup and brought to the interrogation room for questioning. This is in the NIA headquarters where, remember, Tahawoor Rana was taken late last night, or rather early this morning at around 2 a.m. Rana was taken out of lockup, brought to the interrogation room by NIA investigators, and CISF personnel are also there right now for security reasons. Now, this is what we're picking up right now from our sources in the NIA. Shivani Sharma is joining us live from the NIA office in Delhi, which is where Tahawoor Rana currently is. Shivani, you've got NIA officials hitting the ground running, not wasting any time. The interrogation set to kick off.
Akshita, is the first day of the custody for the NIA, where Tahawoor Rana is all set to be interrogated, and what we are learning from the NIA sources is that Tahawoor Rana has been brought outside the lockup. He has been brought to the interrogation room where the interrogation procedure will begin very soon. As we know that there are 12 officials of the NIA who have been given access to Tahawoor Rana during this investigation period that will continue up to 18 days initially when the custody has been given to the NIA, and this process will take further steps with the different sets of questions for Tahawoor Rana, which are related to the 26/11/2008 conspiracy and the related questions of his communications with Headley, with the people in the ISI, the other terrorist organizations, and how he had conspired and forged these documents in India for facilitating this movement by these terrorists in Mumbai. So the interrogation is to start anytime now. We are right outside the NIA headquarters that has been kept under a super special security blanket with multiple layers of deployments, not only from the Delhi police but also from the central forces, the CISF, the other forces are also out here. So this is a fortress, the NIA headquarters, where the interrogation of this high priority case goes on.